Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach and I'm going to try to do this feature in one episode. Maybe a short episode, may span many, many episodes. I don't know. What do you know? I know nothing. Okay. So this is going to be 150. New branch, 50, add capacity to list creation. Okay, I gotta find where I do this. Is it in the builders? Yeah, because the makes don't care about that. So many places that this could be. Well, let's see. Well, it'd be in the extension builder. Yes. This is the problem about doing something. So list of parameters. Parameters is a string, which is built off of method parameters, which is an array, so that should give us the numbers. Now, we're just joining on this, and so we're doing, if it has an explicit default value, we're returning the name of the parameter that transform. Oh, yeah, we have to, oh, we're calling something, that's right. And then we do a comma. If it's an out, we automatically say arg any. Otherwise, we say return name. I think what we want to do here is we say the list of the name of argument, because that's what it is here. Yep. And now what we want to put in here is the length. And that's all. It's just as simple as that, right? Of course, now I've got to shut down and start up again. Let's see if this builds first. And now I'm looking for everywhere of new list, new list. I might just do that. Just see like where all the places are that I do new list. And just see if I can find like new list. Current project. Find all. See, here it's 2. We know it's 2. Now this could, okay, now I'm getting into obsessiveness. We're going to do the right thing, which is I'm going to shut this down. And then I'm going to start it up again. And this is purely to check that the generated code and everything works exactly the way I expect it to. Okay. If there are other places then that I can do it, well, then why not, right? Of course, I got to check on a case-by-case basis like this one. Like if I look at build adornments, where is this all being used? Hello? Computer, hello, come on. Where are you doing all the things? Please tell me where you, okay, is that it? Oh, we are adding. Okay, so we could be clever here and say if you have return, then do 3, otherwise 2. But is that even worth it? Let's first run all the tests and make sure I didn't break anything. We know we have to allocate 2, and if we have to allocate 3, we would do 3. And that's such a small change. Let's see if you're actually, there you are, because you still have 14 to run left. I think that's a pretty good sign that this isn't breaking anything. Of course, I'd say that Nelson, the red X would flare up and say, haha, you screwed up. But while it's doing that, let's go back to my search here. It said it found how many? There's more places to do this too. It's not just one. Okay. So this is going to be a little bit more interesting. So here we're doing the name of parameters, and it's a property get meth parameters select. Otherwise that. And that's it. And then we just put, so we can do it in more than one spot. Okay, did you just die? No. Someday, in the near future, Test Explorer and running tests in Visual Studio will be a dream. It will just work. There'll be no problems. There'll be no issues. Everything will be fine. Give up. I utterly give up on Test Explorer. It is so busted. No tests found to run. After doing 10 seconds of this test discovery, you found 600 tests, but then you say no tests found to run. What do you say to that? Seriously, I don't know what to even remotely say about that. You know? That's just utterly ridiculous that it's failing and just not working as much as it is right now. It's just, you're discovering, you're completing, and you're starting again, and now you started a test run because I was watching you, and now you're paranoid. And now you're paranoid. Fine, you look good enough. All right. So here, this is probably only good. These are indexers, which typically only have one. Okay. But this is good because we want to say here, argument, sorry. Oh my goodness. What the heck is wrong with me? There you go. Let's actually pin this because we're going to have to do some work here. PowerShell, stop trying to be in my face. And this is, okay, that. So we'll come over here, do that. Nope. That length. Okay. This one is an empty list. This one is a value. Build setter. What is the value? Self.add. Oh, is it just one value? Okay. Parameters. That is your get method again. Okay, so we do that, length. Nope, 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 nope. And this is your setter. Okay. This could all be overkill, you know. This is just a list of argument. Yep. Parameters length I've already done. This is just one that you're passing in. Yep. This is 0, so that's fine. And this is 1. Really shouldn't make much of a difference as far as I can tell. Okay, so these are the exceptions. This stuff failures. Got it. Okay. Yes. Why would I... Whatever. Whatever. Expectations. Yeah, we don't know. So we have to do that. That's fine. This is 1, right? And then this is also 1. Oh my God. Argument parts, we get added a whole bunch of stuff we don't know. We're only going to get a max of 2. But we don't know unless we actually look at those. I don't really want to get into the discussion of which one would be better or worse. Let's look at constraints here. Yeah, we don't really know. Oh, not really. Failures. I don't think any of these are truly, well, this one we would. We know it would be 1. And this one would also be 1. And this one would also be 1. Save all the allocations. Is the expected call count, if the if condition would give you a faster allocation compared to that, like this is the thing I'm debating here, is do we make it reallocate when we know it would be 2 or 3? I think in this case I could say has return question mark 3, other 2. In this case it kind of makes sense because it's just a literal Boolean check. It can't be that much more. Okay, so let's close this. Let's close this down and build again and try to get Test Explorer to please build all the things. Of course, the only way I'd ever know if this actually makes any impact whatsoever is to rerun the benchmark mocknet tests, but I'm not going to go that far because it's really not going to make that big of a difference with those tests, I don't believe. Okay. Do I just want to believe that if I say run tests, that you're actually going to run tests and that everything would be just fine? I'm expecting somewhere in the code generated code, I've screwed something up. I missed a parentheses somewhere. That's what I'm expecting. Okay. Ooh, see, I had one error. That was from before though, right? Oh, because now it's bringing in a 2. Yeah, that's actually cool. How are you? I'm saying run everything. No. Run off. You know what? Since I'm here anyway, I might as well just. I'm surprised other tests didn't fail. Run tests. Oh no, now you're going to run just that one, right? Yep. Yeah, that's my fault. Run all tests. There. Yeesh. Let's see what it does now. Of course, it's not updating any of the numbers up there, which is quite interesting, but whatever, it is running. And hopefully things will finally finish. I do notice, though, that those tests from using the Microsoft library, holy God, are they much slower. It definitely has slowed things down. You know, that just this one test is saying it takes 30 seconds to run. You know, 29 seconds? That doesn't make any sense. Because it was taking like 4 seconds before. I don't see how that could be that long now to run. I don't know. Whatever. All that's running, so I'm good with this. I'm going to commit it, merge it, and I will be done with this. And then I don't know what's up next. I really have no idea what I'm going to be working on next for my videos, but I will find stuff, that is for sure. Thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.